Hello children, today I am here to teach you another statistics unit, that's chapter 27, data representation and interpretation. So in this lesson you are learning about stem and leaf diagrams and finding maximum, minimum range of data and mode, median, mean range of a collection of raw data. So we'll see how we can construct stem and leaf diagrams as well. So data representation can be done using several methods and discussed in previous classes. So we discussed about tally chart or tally tables, picture graphs and column graphs and multiple column graphs. So now this unit we are learning about stem and leaf diagrams. So what are stem and leaf diagrams? So this is another way to represent data. So what are the steps you have to take to draw the stem and leaf diagram? So you have to first identify values of the data from 0 to 99. Then we take the units place value as the leaf. So we are dividing the number into leaf and stem. So the units place value is the leaf and the tens place value is the stem. Now consider these numbers all 2-digit numbers. So what's the stem? Stem is the tens place value. So according to this one, this is 3. What about 45? That's 4. 58? That's 5. 83? That's 8. 95? That's 9. And 8. 8 is 1-digit number, but you can put 0 there. So this is 0. That's the stem value. Now, what is the leaf value? Leaf value is the value in the units place. 4. 45, that's 5. 58, that's 8. 83, that's 3. 95, that's 5. 08 means 8 is the leaf value. So now you know when you get a number in between 0 to 99, how you identify stem and leaf. What about if the number is 100 to 999, 3-digit numbers? So you have to take the units place as the leaf and both the tens place and the hundreds place number together as the stem. Think about these numbers, 235. So 23 is the stem and 5 is the leaf. 348 means 34 is the stem and 8 is the leaf. 423, 42 is the stem and 3 is the leaf. 519, 51 is the stem and 9 is the leaf. 908, 90 is the stem value and 8 is the leaf. 104, 10 is the stem value and 4 is the leaf. You take two numbers, tens place and hundreds place number as a stem and the units place number as the leaf. Now if the value is decimal, so what you do? Whole number you take as stem and the first decimal place number as the leaf value. So take a look at these decimals. So 6 is the stem, 1 is the leaf. 8.3, 8 is the stem, 3 is the leaf. 7.5, 7 is the stem, 5 is the leaf. 8.6, 8 is the stem, 6 is the leaf. 9.0, 9 is the stem and 0 is the leaf. If a row has more than one leaf value, the values are written leaving a gap between the digits. So when you are constructing stem and leaf diagram, make sure that you leave a gap in between two digits and we don't put commas. So take a look at this data set. Represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. So what you do, you draw a line like this. We say T letter like this, and identify what are stem values. Here 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the lowest is 2, 3, highest is 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. Then what you do? So you write down the leaf values in front of this number. So in the same row. 23, you can write 2 and 3. Then 32, 3 and 2. 28, 2 and 8. So leave a gap in between digits. 35, 3 and 5. 43, 4 and 3. 53, 5 and 3. That's the first step. So you write down the stem and leaf separately. Then you have to write down the key. Key is important in stem and leaf diagram. So that means you can take any number here. So I took this one. 3 lines slash, this is the line 2. 3 slash 2 means actually what's the number there? 32. So this is how you write down the key. 3 slash 2, 32. Or you can take 2 slash 3 means 23. And then what's the next step? You have to rearrange the data in ascending order. So we'll see in the next one. So next one is another data set. Okay. So here, now check whether the data in increasing order. Already these are in increasing order. 3, 8, 2, 5, 3, 3. So this is the final diagram. So this is called stem and leaf diagram. This is another data set. You are asked to draw a stem and leaf diagram. Before that, you need to identify what's the smallest and the largest. What's the smallest here? Identify the smallest. 22 is there. So 22 is the smallest. What's the largest number or greatest number? 73. That's 73. So what's the range? Range is the difference between the greatest value and the smallest value, least value. So largest minus smallest. So 73 minus 22. What's the value? 1 and 5. So the range is a big number. So what you do? So you can now draw the stem and leaf diagram. So starting from 22 and largest number is 73. Now we'll identify stem and leaf. First, from the beginning you can write down the stem and leaf values. So here starting from 2 you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leaf, now we'll underline the number and put the leaf value. 37, 3, 7. 54, 5, 4. 23, 2, 3. 28, 2, 8. 49, 4, 9. 22, 2, 2. 65, 6, 5. 47, 4, 7. 27, 2, 7. 30, 3, 0. 60, 6, 0. 72, 7, 2. 73, 7, 3. 44, 4, 4. 39, 3, 9. 55, 5, 5. 41, 4, 1 and 22, 2, 2. So that's the first step you can do. Write down the numbers. Then we call this the sketch because the numbers are not in ascending order. Now you can rearrange the numbers in ascending order and write down the correct diagram. So when you take the first row, what's the lowest number? 2. So 2 twice and then 3, 7, 8. So you have to rearrange these in ascending order. When you take 3, you can write 0, 7, 9. 4, 1, 4, 7, 9. And if it's 5, 45. So 4 and 5. If it's 6, 0 and 5. And if it's 7, 2 and 3. So now you can see the lowest number is 22 and the highest is 73. So what's the key? Key is important in stem and leaf diagrams. You can take any number, 3/9 or 2/2, any number that means 39. Or if it's 2/2 is 22. So write down the key. So this is the stem and leaf diagram. The heights of students in class in centimeters are given below. Represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. So 3-digit numbers. So what you do? First find the lowest and the highest. Lowest number 134. 134. Highest value 169. I saw that's the highest. Check it again. 169 is the highest number. So what's the range? Range is subtract this 169 minus 134. So you get 9 here, 3. So 35 is the range value. 5 and 4, 9, 6, 1. 35 is the range of this data set. Now we'll draw the stem and leaf diagram. What's the first step? So 134 is the lowest. So 13 is the stem, lowest stem. And 169 is the highest. 16 is the highest stem. Now put the leaf values. 16 with 0. 139 means 13 with 9. 147, 14 with 7. 15, 2. 14 with 4. 13 with 4. 14 with 3. 15 with 0. 13 with 6. 14 with 8. 16 with 6. 15 with 9. 13 with 0. 13 with 5. 16 with 4. 14 with 6. 15 with 7. 13 with 8. 15 with 4. 16 with 9. 13 with 7. 14 with 8. 15 with 1. 16 with 3. Now we have all the numbers. Now what's the next step? Rearrange it so that this is in ascending order. So starting with 0, Then you get 4. 0, 4, 5, 6. 0, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 7. We don't put comma. 7, 8, 9. 14. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8. This one, 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Then 4 comes. 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. Then next one, 0, 3, 4, 6, 9. 0, 3, 4, 6, 9. Now, that's the final diagram. That's the correct one. Now, write down the key. You can take any value. So, you can write 14/3 means 143. The following data shows the heights of plants in centimeters. Now you get decimals. So what's the lowest value? Identify the lowest value. Look at carefully and see what's the lowest one. 6.3? No, 5.3. 5.3 is the lowest. Then highest value. I see 9.9. Look at carefully and see whether 5.3 is the lowest. 5.2 I can see. So 5.2 is the lowest, not 3. 5.2. So I'll write down 5.2 there. So now find the range. Take the difference, 9.9 minus 5.2. So what's the difference? 7 and 4. 4.7 is the range value. Now represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. So we'll try to draw that. So you know leaf is the first decimal place, stem is the whole number. So we got 5.2 is the lowest now, so starting from 5 to 9. Now we'll mark it. 7.2, 7 with 2. 8.0, 8 with 0. 8.4, 8 with 4. 5.9, 5.9. 7.4, 7.5. 6.7. 9.9, 9.1, 9.5, 8.4, 5.3, 8.4, 6.5, 7.0, 7.5, 5.2, 8.8, 6.4, 6.4 again, 7.7 and 6.3 now, 6.3, 9.3, 6.4. So these are the numbers. Now this is a sketch. So we have to rearrange this in ascending order. 5 with 2, 3, 9. 6 with 3, 4, 3 times and 5, 7. This number 0 first, 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 2 5s are there and 7. This one already in ascending order, 0, 4, 4, 4, 8. And this one, 1, 3, 5, 9. That's in ascending order. So that's the correct diagram. Now write down the key. So you can write any number. I can write 5 stroke 2. Means these are decimals. So that's 5.2. So you have to write down the actual value. 5.2 is 5 stroke 2. Interpreting a collection of numerical data. So what are the measurements that we can take? Mode, median, mean. So what's the mode value? The value which occurs most often is called the mode. Following data shows the number of eggs sold in 7 days. So first we can arrange the data set in increasing order. That means ascending order. Starting from 35. Then we get 47. 35, 47, then 53 times, 53, and then 65. So this is in increasing order, ascending order. Find the mode number of x. Now this is ones, 53 times. That's the most often you get this number. So 3 times is the highest. So 50 is the mode value then. Most frequent number. Find the mode of the following data set. So it's easy to write in increasing order. So already this is in increasing order. Then identify this is ones, this is ones, this is 2 times. And once, this is 2 times. Now here 2 numbers are getting 18 as well as 25 you get as mode value. So this is called bimodal. When you get 2 mode values, you can say this is bimodal. So you have to write down. If it's 3 numbers, you have to write all 3 numbers for the mode value. Now we'll look at what is median. So what is median? When you arrange the data set in increasing order, the middle value is called the median. Now take a look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Odd number of data points are there. So when you have odd number, you get one middle number. So when you take from corner, so you can see this is the middle value. So 50 is the median value here. So if the size of the data set is odd, only get one middle number. Look at this one. How many data points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you get even number of data points, you get 2 middle numbers. So when you take from corner to corner, you can see these 2 are the middle numbers. So what you do when you get 2 middle numbers? Take the sum of the 2 middle numbers and divide it by 2. So we'll do that. 20 plus 22 divide by 2. So you get 42. Divide by 2, 21. So you can see 21 is not in your data set, but you can get any value in the data set, or this one is not in the data set. So that's the middle value. If the size of the data set is even, take the sum of the 2 middle numbers and divide by 2 to get the median. Now, how we find out the median when you get a big number of data set? There's a short way. Otherwise, you have to cross out all the corner numbers and find out the middle numbers. But it's not easy. So, we'll see how can we find out the middle number. So, what you do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If the data set is even, you take number of data points divided by 2. So, 8 divided by 2. That's 4. That's the first middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fourth number. So, you get it from here. Then, how you take the next number? So, number of data divided by 2 plus 1. So, that means 4 plus 1. Fifth one is the next number. So, those are the two middle numbers. Then what you do? You can take the average. 4 plus 5, not 4 plus 5. What's the fourth number? Not these number. This means fourth number. You have to refer. This means fifth number. Now take the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. Fifth number, 22 divided by 2. 42 divided by 2, 21 is the median. So these are the two middle numbers. So how you find out the two middle numbers? N divided by 2. That's first one. N divided by 2 plus 1 is the second middle number. Another data set. Find out how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Even number of data points are there. So, what's the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, you get 12. So, how you find out the middle two numbers? 12 divided by 2. That's the first one. 12 divided by 2 means sixth one. Then 6 plus 1, that's the seventh one. So, you take the sixth and seventh one. But make sure that your data set is in increasing order, ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 50. 7 is 54. Takes the sum and divide by 2. So, you get 4 and 10 divide by 2. You get 52. 52 is the median value. Now, we'll look at what's mean is. Mean is the average. So, you take sum of all numbers, divide by the number of data is the mean. Now, take a look at this one. Mean number of eggs we can find, we can add it. 35 plus 47 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 53 plus 65. Divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there. So, when you are adding, I see a pattern there. 35 plus 65, you get 100. 47 plus 53, you get 100. 50 plus 50, 100, and you get 50. So, only for this data set I see this pattern. It's easy to add. 350 divide by 7. So, what's the mean value? Mean is 50. 7 times 5, 35. So, 50 is the mean value. So mean is the representative value of the data set. Now we'll look at this stem and leaf diagram and identify what's the mean, median, mode. Now when you look at the data set in this stem and leaf diagram, we can see how many times these digits have written. So only once here. This one twice, 2, 2. So that means 52. Don't just take 2. 52 is the number. So 52 is the mode value. It's twice there. Then median, how you find out the median? How many data points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Even number. That means 2 middle numbers are there. So 16 divided by 2. That means 8th one. Then 8 plus 1. That's 9th one. So you take the average of 8th and 9th. So we'll count. This is in ascending order. So you can count like this. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these two are the two middle numbers. So what are the two numbers? 52 and 52. Take the sum and divide by 2. So you get 52 as the median value. How you find out the mean? Add everything and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you have to divide by 16. So do that now. Divide by 16. Take the sum of all numbers. So we'll first write down what are the numbers. 32, 34, 35. Then 43, 45, 46, 47. And then write down all the numbers. Here I'll write here addition 52, 52, 54, 56. And the other one 63 plus 64, 65 and 71 and 73. So those are the sum of all numbers divided by 16. So what's the value? We'll add it. 32, 34, 35. What's the total? 101. Now 43, 45, 46, 47. Add it. 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 7. 15 plus 5, 20, 22. 2 remaining. 4 times 4, 16 plus 2, 18. 1 remaining. That's 282 now. Now add the other numbers. 52, 52, 54 and 56. 10, 12, 14, 16. 1 remaining. 10, 20, 29 and 496. Now we'll add 34, 35. 30, not 34. We'll add 63, 64 and 65. You get 10, 15, 18. So 1 is there. So 10 And these three, 18 plus 10, 28. 2 remaining, that's 688. So we have to add 71, that's 9, 5, 7, and 73 you have to add, 71 and 73. 759, add 73. 832 divided by 16. So we'll do the division also here. 832 divided by 16. So 5. That's 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 1, 5 plus 3, 8, 80. Then 32, that's 2. 32. So the answer is 52 as the mean value. So we got mode is 52, median is 52, and mean also 52. So all these values equal to 52. So you can say the value 52 is the most representative value for this data set, because we got all three values are the same. Now we'll look at your exercises and examples in your textbook. So example 1, write the stem and leaf of each of the numbers 243 and 225. So data is given. So what's the stem? If it's 1 digit, you can say the number before. So that's 0. And the leaf is 2. If it's 43, you can take the tens place number as the stem and 3 as the leaf. If this is 3-digit numbers, you can take first 2, tens place and hundreds place value as the stem and 5 as the leaf value. Example number 2, the heights of some students in a class are given below in centimeters. Represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. What is the least value of the collection of data? What is the greatest value of this collection of data? Highest and the lowest values. So we'll first draw the stem and leaf diagram. So you need to know the highest and the least. So what's the highest? This is not in increasing order. So we can first create the stem and leaf and identify the least and the highest values. So this is the data set. So what's the first step? You can identify the stem values. So 13 is there, and that's the lowest stem value. You get 14, 15 and 16 is the highest one. Check whether there are 17s. No, 16 is the highest. So first identify the stem. Now mark the leaf values. 141, 151, 169, 148, 170. 17 is there, 173. So here you need this 173, 13, 6, 142, 139, 143, 130, 135, 154, 152, 144, 146, 135, 134, 166, 157, 151, 131, 146, 138, 150, 140, 137, 145, 160, 137, 143. Now you have to rearrange this in ascending order. So we'll write the stem values 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. When you take 13, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then you get 4, 5, 5. 4, 5, 5. Then 6, 7, 7. 8, 9. 14, starting from 0. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. Then 5, 6, 6. 5, 6, 6. And then here we missed out 4. So we have to plug 4 there. So we'll plug it here 4, then 5, 6, 6. 4, 5, 6, 6. And what else? 8. Next line. 0, 1, 1, 2. 0, 1, 1, 2. And 4, 7. 4, 7. And this one 0, 6, 9. 0, 6, 9 and 3. So that's the correct stem and leaf diagram. And now we can give the key. Key is important in stem and leaf diagram. Key is we can write 13/0 means 130. And then what's the next question? What is the least value and what is the greatest value? So we can now identify least value, this one, first value is the least, 130. Greatest value, this is the highest value, 173 is the highest value. Example 3. The birth weights of 25 animals of a certain species are given below in kilograms. Represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. What is the minimum birth weight? What is the maximum birth weight? So roughly, can you identify the minimum? If you can do it, but it's easy to identify using stem and leaf diagram. So these are decimals. So first identify the digits. 6 there, 9. 5 is also there. So 5 is the lowest stem value and 9 is the highest stem value. So we'll draw it. So you can start from 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now mark the leaf. 6.1, 8.5, 9.3, 9.5, 9.8, 7.2, 9.0, 6.7, 9.5, 8.4, 8.1, 6.8, 7.6, 5.6, 8.9, 8.2, 6.4, 7.3, 8.5, 7.5, 6.8, 7.9, 8.6, 7.7, 8.3. Now arrange this in increasing order. So first write down the stem values 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 is there. So this one 1, 4, 7, 8, 8. This one starting from the lowest 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 6, 7, 9. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 and 6, 9. This one 0, 3, 5, 5. 0, 3, 5, 5 and 8. So this is the stem and leaf diagram. You can write down the key. Key is the, I can take any number here, 6 stroke 1. 6 stroke 1 means 6.1. These are decimals. So you can write 6 stroke, this is /1, means 6.1. And now we can easily identify the minimum and the maximum. So what's the minimum? 5, 6. That means 5.6 kilograms because these are decimals. So what's the maximum value? 9.5 kilograms. Exercise 27.1. The period of service of a group of employees of a certain company are given below in months. Represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. So 3-digit numbers are there. So you have to take 2 digits for stem and the ones place as a leaf. So we can see 12 is there, 13 and here 16 is the maximum. So starting from 12, you can write 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is the stem values. And then you write down the leaf. 0, 5, 4, 6, 4, 9, 2, 5, 8, 16 with 2. So that's the diagram. This is the sketch. Now you can rearrange this in ascending order. So 0, 9, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 8, 2, 4. So this is the final diagram. And now give the key. Key is, you can take any value. I'll take 13/2 means These are 3-digit numbers, so that's 132. The mass in kilograms of the bags of 30 pilgrims who flew to their destination in Dambadiva are given below. Represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. So 2-digit numbers are there. So what's the lowest stem value? We can see 0. 1, 2. Then what's the highest stem? 3 is there. Now mark the leaf values. 30, 28, 26, 29, 12, 10, 27, 23, 29, 28, 30, 25, 19, 09, 24, 22, 21, 20, 18, 17, 15, 21, 25, 29, 20, 27, 29, 24, 26, 28. Now we can rearrange this in ascending order. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This is only 9. This is zeros are there. 1 with starting 0, 2, then 5, 7, 8, 9. 2 you have to rearrange properly. So 2 zeros, then 1, 2, 2 ones, then 1, 1 twos, then 3, 1 only. How many 4s? 1, 2. How many 5s? 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 6s. Then 1, 2. 2 7s. How many 8s? 1, 2, 3. 3 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the diagram, stem and leaf diagram, and give the key. Key is, you can say any value like 2, 2 stroke 5, something like that. That means 25. You can give any number. 2 stroke 5 means 25. The masses of the watermelons for sale in a certain shop on a particular day are given below in kilograms. So those are decimals. Represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. How many watermelons are there for sale in this shop on this day? What is the mass of the heaviest watermelon for sale, and what is the mass of the watermelon with the least mass? So first identify the stem values. So what's the lowest value? I can see 4. 4 is the lowest, and highest is 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. And now mark the leaf values. 6.5, 6.9, 7.1, 7.8, 5.5, 6.7, 5.7, 7.7, 7.7 again, 4.3, 7.8, 4.3, 5.8, 5.2, 6.5, 6.2, 6.7, 7.3, 4.3, 5.7, 6.7, 6.9, 6.1, 5.8, 7.8, 6.0, 6.8, 7.2, 7.3 and 5.4. Now we can rearrange. This is in ascending order, 3, 3, 3. This one, 2, 4, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8. This one, 0, 1, 2. Five, 5, 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9. Then this one, 1, 2, 3, 3. Seven, 7, 8, 8, 8. So that's the final stem and leaf diagram. Now give the key. I can write 5/2 is a decimal, so 5 means 5.2. So that's the key for the stem and leaf diagram. Now we'll answer the questions. How many watermelons are there for sale? So we can count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 are there. So we can write 30 watermelon. What is the mass of the heaviest watermelon? So the last value, 78, means 7.8 kilograms. This is in kilograms. That's the heaviest one. So what is the mass of the melon with the least mass? 4.3 kilograms. Exercise 27.2. A cyclist had a training schedule for a month. The distance he cycled each day is given below in kilometers. So the key is given. 5/1 means 51. What is the minimum value of this data? Minimum means the first value. So that means 15. 15 kilometers. What is the maximum distance he cycled in a day during this period? Maximum is the last value. So 6 with 5, 65 kilometers. Find the range of this data. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest. 65 minus 15, you get 50. So 50 kilometers is the range value. 30 students in grade 8 were given 40 English words to read and then write down. The number of incorrect words written by each student is given below. Represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. So when you take the stem, what's the lowest? 1 is there. 1 is the lowest. Highest value? 3 there. 3 is the highest. So 1, 2, 3. Now mark the leaf values. 1, 6. 2, 3. 2, 6. 3, 5. 3, 2. 2, 4. 15. 1, 5. 2, 1. 1, 2. 1, 8. 1, 2. 1, 3. 3, 1. 1, 7. 2, 7. 1, 5. 1, 9. 2, 4. 2, 9. 3, 1. 1, 0. 1, 4. 1, 9. 1, 8. 2, 1. 2, 3. 2, 5. 2, 7. 2, 9. And 3, 1. Now arrange this in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3. So we'll arrange this starting from 0. Then I see 2s. 1, 2. Then 3. How many 4s? 1s. 5, 1, 2. Twice. 6, 1. And then 7, 1. 8. Twice. 9, 2. Twice. Now when you take the next line, 1, 2, 1. It's 2 ones. Then 3, 1, 2. Then 4, 2, twice. Then 5 ones, 6, 1, only. Then 7, 1, 2. And then 9 twice. 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 5. So that's the data set. Now write down the key. These are 2-digit numbers. So 2 stroke 1 means 21. So that's the stem and leaf diagram. Now we'll answer those questions. How many incorrect words were written by the student who wrote the least number of incorrect words? So least number of incorrect words. So that means 10. So here number of incorrect words. So 10 is the least number. So we'll write down there, that's the 10. How many incorrect words were written by the student who wrote the most number of incorrect words? Most number of incorrect words. So most number is 35. Find the range of the incorrect words written by the group of students. Take the difference, highest minus lowest. You get 25. Write the groups of 10 to which the greatest and the least values belong. So that means which group? 30s. Highest is, write the groups of 10 to which the greatest and least values belong. So first we'll say greatest. So we can see the first row, you get greatest numbers. So that's tens. Here this is first row. So you can write tens. That means tens. Then least number you get, that's this row, 30s. 30s is the least now, least value belongs. The number of fish buns and bottles of fruit juice sold by mobile food truck during a period of 30 days are given in the following two stem and leaf diagrams. So this is 30 days. What is the minimum number of fish buns sold in a day? So what's the lowest value? 54. This is arranged in increasing order. So 54 is the lowest value. What is the maximum number of fish buns sold in a day? That's the highest value is 95. And find the range. So take the difference between highest and lowest. 1 and 41 is the range value. What is the minimum number of bottles of fruit juice sold in a day? So this is about fruit juice. So what's the minimum number? Here minimum number is 8. What is the maximum number of bottles of fruit juice sold in a day? Maximum is 96 because key says 8/1 means 81. So 96. Find the range of sales of bottles of fruit juice. That means the difference, 96 minus 8. 88. Compare the sales of fish buns with the sales of fruit juice and write your conclusions. So what can you say about this is 88, and we'll check the range of this fish buns, 41. So you get, this is 95 and 54 here, and 8 and 96. So the range is highest in fruit juices. So you can compare by looking at the ranges. You can say range of sales of bottles is twice as, because this is 41 and twice as that is twice as sales of fish buns. The range is highest in bottles of fruit juice. The marks obtained for a mathematics test paper marked from 100 by the students of two parallel classes A and B are given below. Key is given, so 72, so out of 100. Write separately the number of students in class A and the number of students in class B. Class A, how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And B, how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Both are the same. Find the minimum mark, maximum mark and the range of marks obtained by the students in class A. So class A, I can write maximum 82, minimum 50, and we need the range. Range is the difference. 82 minus 50. So you get 32. Then the next one, it says find the minimum mark, maximum and the range of marks obtained by class B. When you take class B, the minimum is 5 and maximum is 68. Maximum 68, minimum, that's 5. And the range is the difference. 68 minus 5, 63. Compare the level of achievement in mathematics of the students in classes A and B for this mathematics paper based on the above data and write your conclusions. So what can you say? This range is high in class B. That means, so the variation is high in class B compared to class A. So first we can write about the range. So I'll write down the variation. So we can say range means the variation. The variation of marks in class B is higher than class A, because lowest student is 5 and the highest is 68. But when you look at the marks, we can see this is, in this class the lowest mark is 50. So good students are there. So mostly the mark that the class A students got is higher than class B. So we can say also when you look at the marks, 50 is the pass mark, but there are failures here. Below 30, below 40. So lot of students fail the exam. So we consider normally 40 below is fail. So here we can write about that also. So you can write all the students passed the test in class A. You can write about that also. Example 1. The ages of 10 students in grade 8 are given below in years. Find the mode of this collection of data. So we can first arrange this in ascending order, then you can have an idea about that. So 13 twice, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 15s. So you can see most number of terms is 14, the highest value. So the mode is straight away you can write 14, because 14, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times, and 15 and 13 only twice. Most frequent number. Example 2, the number of employees who took leave on each of the 15 working days of a certain month is given below. Find the mode of this collection of data. Again, you have to just rearrange this in ascending order and see. 12. Then I see 14, 15, 16, 3 times. Here 15, another 15 is there. 16, 1, 2, 3, 3 times. And then 17, only once. And I see 18, 3 times. And 19 twice, and 20. Now we can see 16 3 times and 18 3 times. All the other numbers either twice or once. So this is the most frequent number. So you can write both the numbers, 16 or 18. So we call this is bimodal. Example 3. The number of soft drink bottles sold at a certain shop on each day of a week is given below. Find the median of the number of bottles sold during a day. So you have to arrange this data set in increasing order. 32, 40, 41, then 44, 48, 52, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Odd number of data points. So you get one middle number. So how you find out? You can see when you take this one, 44 is the middle number. Or you can take, if it's odd number, you get one number. So what you do, 7 plus 1, you add 1 to that and divide by 2. So you get 4. 8 divided by 2, 4. That means you are taking the fourth number as the median. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth number is the median. So that way also you can find out the median. 44. So you add 1 because it's not divisible by 2. So number of terms plus 1 divide by 2. Example 4. The number of athletes who came to a certain sports center for training each day of a period of 16 days is given below. Find the median of the number of athletes who came for training to the sports center each day. So we'll find the lowest value here, 9. Arrange this in increasing order. Then what you get? I see 12. Then 14 once. Then 15 twice. Then I see 16, 18 twice, 20 twice, 22, 23. 21 is also there. Then 22, 23. 25, 26. 25, 26. And then 36. So this is in ascending order. How many numbers are there? 16. It says 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is an even number. So how you find out the median? So you take 16 divided by 2. That's the first number. 8th one. 8th number is the first middle number. Then second middle number we take 8 plus 1. That's 9th. So you take 8th and 9th number. Take the sum and divide by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 9. So you find out the median by taking the sum of 18 and 20 divided by 2. 38 divided by 2. So you get 19. So the median value is 19. Example number 5. A group of 15 students who are members of a drill display are made to stand in a row as shown in the figure in ascending order of their heights. After their heights were measured in centimeters, find the median of the collection of data. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 15. 15 means one middle number. So what's the middle number? 15 plus 1 divided by 2. That means 16 divided by 2 is 8th one. 8th number is the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the median value. So what's the median value? 127 centimeters is the median height. Assume that a new student of height 150 centimeter join the end of this row of students. Find the median of this collection of data. Now altogether 16 students are there, even number. So you get two middle numbers. So how you find out that? 16 divided by 2. 8th one is the first middle number. 8 plus 1. 9th one is the second middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these two are the two middle numbers. Add and divide by 2. So what's the median? Median is equal to 127 plus 135 divided by 2. So what's the total? 7 plus 5, 12. 1 remaining, 6 and 2. Divide by 2, you get 131. 131 centimeters is the median height now. Example 6. The marks obtained by 13 students of a certain class for a mathematics test paper marked out of 100 are given below in ascending order. Find the mean of this data. So how you find out the mean? You add all the values. And divide it by number of terms. Divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It says 13 students. So divide by 13. Now we have to find the addition. So add it. So I can take 2 at a time. So I can add these two. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 remaining. 5 and 5, 10. Then add these two. I can write 9 plus 1, 10. 1 remaining. 7 and 7, 40. These two, I get 2 and 7, 7, 40. These two, 8 and 8, 16, 17. 1 remaining. And 14 plus 1, 15. These two, 2, 8 and 8, 16. These two, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 and 9, 18. And 96. Now we'll add these. 2 and 2, 4. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 26, 28. 2 remaining. 4 and 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 21. 21 plus 9, 30. 30 plus 8, 38. 3 remaining. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 988 divide by 30. Now use long division. 13 times 7. 8 you can get. 13 times 8. 8 times 3, 24. 2 remaining. 8 times 1, 8 plus 2, 10. No, that's 7. 13 times 7. 7 times 3, 21. 2 remaining. 7 times 1, 7 plus 2, 9. You get 78. 13 times 6. 6 times 3, 18. And 6 times 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So, 76. So, this is 76. This is about marks. So, the mean mark is 76. Example 7. The marks obtained by another class of 8 students for a mathematics test paper are written below in ascending order. Find the range of these marks. How do you find out the range? You take the smallest value and the highest value. So 54 and 46. So take the difference. 54 minus 46. So you get 8. 8 is the range of above marks. So range is 8 in this example is relatively small when compared with 100. Therefore, we can say that the marks are approximately at the same level and conclude that the students' knowledge tested in this paper is at about the same level. So range is not high, so students are in the same level. Exercise 27.3. Find the mode, median and the mean and the range of each collection of data. So first thing, we can arrange the data set in increasing order. What's the lowest? 5. Then 6. 7. 8, 8, another 8, 9, 10, 10, 2 tens, and 12, 12. Easy to identify all the values when you arrange the data set in increasing order. Now, what's the mode value? Mode, most common number, 8, we can see 3 times. So 8 is the mode value. Median, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Odd number of data points. So you get one middle number. So how you find out that number? 11 plus 1 divided by 2. That means 12 divided by 2 means 6th. 1 is the middle term. 6th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 8. Then mean. Mean is the average. We can add all the numbers and divide by 11. So we'll add 8 plus 9, 17. 12 and 10, 22. I'm adding 2 at a time. 12 plus 7, 19. 8 plus 6, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. And 8. Add it together. 7 plus 2, 9. 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 8, 30, 35. 3 remaining. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 95 is the total. Divide by 11 numbers are there. Divide by 11. That's the mean value. So 95 divided by 11. 11 times 8. 88. So you get 7. For 70, that's 6. 66. So you get 40, that's 3. So 8.63. You can write 8.63 is the mean value. And what's the range? Range is the highest number minus the lowest. 12 minus 5, that's 7. So 7 is the range value. Take this data set, arrange this in ascending order. Lowest is 18. Then you get 23. 32 twice. 33 twice, 3 times. And 45 and 53. Now take the mode, most frequent number, 33 3 times, that's the mode. Median is the middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Odd number of data points. So that means 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one is the median. Range, just take the highest minus lowest. It's 53 minus 18. You get 5 and 35. And now mean value is the average. Add everything. So total of all these numbers, 18 plus 23 plus 32 Add all these numbers. Divide by 9 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divide by 9. Now we'll add 2 at a time. These two. 41. 32, 32. You get 64. 33, 33. 66. 33 and 45. 78 and 53. 10, 11, 19, 22. 2 remaining. And 10, 12 and 18 and 18 plus 12. So you get 18 plus 12, you get 30. So 302. So 302 divide by 9. So what's the value? So 302 divide by 9, long division. 9 times 3, 27. And then for 32, 9 times 3. So 9 times 3, 27. So what's the remaining value? 5. For 50, 9 times 5. 45. So again 5. So we can write 33.55. So 33.55 is the mean value for this data set. This one again, starting from lowest. Rearrange it. 65. Then 69. 70 twice. 78. You get 3 times. And 80. So mode, you can see 78 3 times, that's 78. Median, middle value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even number means 2 middle numbers. How you find out that? 8 divided by 2, that's fourth one, means 1 value. 4 plus 1, that's fifth one, is the second middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth and fifth. Take the average. So you get 148 divided by 2, that's 74, is the median value. Range, highest minus lowest, 80 minus 65. 15 is the range. And what's the mean value? Add everything. 65 plus 69, 70, 70, 78, 3 times. And 80 divide by how many numbers? 8. Now we'll add 2 at a time. These two, 134. 70 and 70, 140. 78 and 78, 156. Then 78 and 80, you get 158. Now add all together. 10, 18, 1 remaining. So you get 10, 14, 17, 18, 1 remaining. 2, 3, 4, 5. 588 divided by 8. Long division. So you get 7. 56 for 28. 8 times 3, 24. 4 remaining for 40. 8 times 5. So 73.5 is the mean mark. Another data set with decimals. Arrange the data set in increasing order. 1.3, 2.5, 3.5, 3.9, 4.8. Here all the numbers are only ones. So we say no mode. We can't find a mode value because all the numbers are only ones. And median, middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means one middle number. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. That means 6 divided by 2. So the third number. 1, 2, 3. So that's the middle value. 3.5. Range, highest minus lowest. 4.8 minus 1.3. You get 5. 4 minus 1, 3. 3.5. And the mean value, add everything and divide by 5. So this is all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. So we'll add first two numbers 8 and 3, 3.8. Second, third and fourth 7.4 and 4.8. 8 and 8, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 2 remaining. 10, 14, 16. So 16 divided by 5. 5 times 3, 15. And for 10, that's 2. So 3.2 is the mean value. Another data set. So 8.3 is the lowest. 12.5, 23.6 and 32.4. So all these numbers only once. So mode, you can say no mode value. Median 1, 2, 3, 4. Even number of data points. So you get two middle numbers. You can say straight away add these two and divide by 2. Add it. 6 here and 3. So divide by 2 and here 0 and 5. So 18.05 is the median value. And the range, highest value minus lowest. So you get 1 here and 8 and 4, 12 and 1 remaining. So 24.1 is the range value, and mean, take the total divide by 4. So add it. We'll add it together. 4 and 6, 10. 15, 18. 1 remaining. 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 1 remaining. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide by 4. 4 times 1, 4. Then 3 remaining. 36. 4 times 9. And for 8, 4 times 2. So the mean value is 19.2. Look at question number 2. The number of matchsticks in 10 boxes of matches is given here. For these boxes of matchsticks, find the mode. Most frequent number. We'll first rearrange this in order. 47 twice. Then we get 48 once. 49 3 times. 50 3 times. 51 only once. So now we see the mode is 49 3 times as well as 53 times. So you get 2 mode values, 49 and 50. That's bimodal. And median. So this is 10 even number, 2 middle numbers. 10 divided by 2, you get fifth one. Fifth one plus 1, you get next one is sixth. Fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one and sixth one, that's 49 plus 49. Divide by 2, you get 49. That's median. Third, mean number of matchsticks. So take the average. Add everything and divide by 10. Divide by 10. Now add it, we'll add 2 at a time. 47, 47, 94. 48 and 49. 97. 49 and 49. 98 and 53 times. So that's 150 and another 51. So when you add it, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 1 remaining, 10, 19, 20, 24, 24 plus 5, 29, 29 plus 9, 38, and 3 remaining, and this one, so you get 4. 480 divided by 10, that means 48 is the mean value. The temperature in the 9 provinces of Sri Lanka on a certain day are given here. What was the mean temperature on that day? So mean, we can straight away find out. Add everything together. And divide by total number of numbers. 9 provinces means 9 is the total number of numbers. So we'll add 2 at a time. First 2, 53. 28 and 32. 60. 29 and 28. 57. And 30 and 29. You get 59. And 28 is there. So we'll add it. 7 plus 3. 10, 19, 20, 27. 2 remaining. 7 plus 6. 13. 13 plus 10. 23, 23 plus 2, 25. 257 divided by 9. 9 times 2, 18. 25 minus 18, 7. For 77, 9 times 8, 72. So 5 remaining. 50. 50 divided by 9. 9 times 5. 45. Again 55. So 28.55. So this is Celsius. Is the mean temperature. The masses of group of children of the same age who arrived at a clinic on a certain day are given here. What is the mode of the masses of this group of children? Most frequent number. So we'll find out most frequent number. It's easy when you rearrange this data set in increasing order. So you get 12. 14, and you get 15, 16 twice, and then 17, 18, and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did we take all numbers? Yes. So what's the most frequent number? We can see mode is 16. Second one, if the children are kept in a row in an ascending order of their masses, what would be the mass of the child in the center? That means median. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even number means 2 middle numbers. 8 divided by 2 is the first one, fourth one. 4 plus 1, that's the fifth one, is the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 middle numbers are these. So add and divide by 2. So you get 16 as the median number. Third one. According to the given data, what is the mean mass? So mean mass, how can we find out? Take the total. Add everything and divide by. Divide by 8. We'll do 2 at a time. 12 plus 14, I'll do 12 plus 14 here. You get 4 plus 6, 26. 12 plus 14, you get 26. 15 and 16, 31. 16 and 17, 33. And 18 and 20, you get 38. Now take the total. 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 18, 1 remaining. So you get 12. 128. So 128 divide by 8. What's the value? 8 times 1, 8. For 48, that's 6. So 16 kg is the mean value. So here we can write all these values are in kg, kilograms. So we'll take the next question. The number of runs scored by each of the 11 batsmen in each of the two teams that played a cricket match against each other is given in the following table. Batsman, Team A, Team B. By considering the runs scored by the batsman in Team A, find the minimum, maximum, range, median and the mean. So you have to take only Team A. So not in order. So we'll first rearrange it. 0, 3, 5, 9, 12, 16, 21, 32, 34, 42 and 58. And we'll find out the minimum. That's 0. Maximum. That's 58. Then range. Highest minus lowest. Highest is 58 minus 0. That's 58. Median. Middle number. So this is 11 numbers are there. Odd number means one middle number. 11 plus 1 divide by 2, that means 12 divided by 2, sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the middle one. So 16. And mean, you have to add everything and divide by 11. So I'll write down, take the total of all these numbers divide by 11. I'll add here 4 here at once. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Then these two, you get 8, 28. These two, 3, 5, 53. For this one, 42 and 34, you get 6 and 7. And 58 is there. So add it all together. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 3 remaining. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 232 divide by 11. So what's the value? You get 1. That's 2. 22 and 1 remaining. For 12, that's 1 and another 10 is there. That's 0. So 21.0. as the average value, the mean value. The number of runs scored by each of the 11 batsmen in each of the two teams that played a cricket match against each other is given. So same thing now you have to do for team B. Arrange the data set in increasing order. 0, 6, 8. 12, 12. Then 24. 31, 33. 36. 44 and 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now you can find out the minimum is 0, maximum $60, then range 60 minus 0, that's 60. Median, middle number. 11 means 2 middle. 11 means odd number, 1 middle number. 11 plus 1 divided by 2, that's sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 24. And mean value is add everything and divide by 11. Now we'll take the addition. Eight plus 12, 20, 26. These three, then 12 and 24, 36. 31 and 33, 64. And these two, you get 80 and then 60. When you add it, 10 and 6, 16, 1 remaining. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 8, 26. 266 divided by 11, that's 2, 22. And 4 remaining, 46, you can take 4, 44. And 2 remaining for 20, that's 1. So 24.1 runs. Using the above information, fill in the table given below. So what's the range we found for team 1? Team A, 58. And this is 60. 58, 60. Mean values, we'll round it to the nearest integer. Mean 21 and here 24. 21 and 24. Median 16 and 24. From which representative value is the total marks of a cricket team obtained accurately? Show how you get this answer. So, mean number of runs is 21 for 11 players. So, 11 batsmen are there. So, 11 times 21, that's team A. That's the total mark. 11 times 1, 11. And 11 times 2, 22 plus 1, 23. That's total marks. So 231 runs. Team B, 24 times 11. 11 times 4, 44. 4 remaining. 11 times 2, 22 plus 4, 26. So that's the total. So the mean mark is the most representative value. So mean number of runs is the most representative value. The mean of the masses of 4 children is 34 kilograms. When another child joined, the mean mass increased to 38. Find the total mass of the 4 children. The mean mass of 4 children is 34. So what is 34 means? The total of all the masses divide by number of children, that's 4. So how you find out the total mass? You multiply by 30, 4 times 4. You get the total. So what is the total? 34 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 3, 12 plus 1, 30. So 136 kilograms is the total masses of 4 children. Then second part, what is the mass of the child who joined later? Now it says after that child joined, the new mean is 38. That's the total of that divided by 5. Now there are 5 children. So what's the total for 5 children? 38 times 5. So 195 times 8, 40. 5 times 3, 15 plus 4, 19. So that's the total for 5 children. This is a total of 4 children. So the difference is the mass of the 5th child. Mass of 5th child. 190 minus 136. 54 kilograms. So that's the 5th child's mass. So third one, show that the mean mass of 34 kilograms does not change if the mass of the child who joined later is also 34. So here, if this is 34, we'll do it. So then what's the total? 136 before and add 34 to that, you get 170. Then the mean mass becomes 170 divided by 5. 5 times 3, 15 for 20, that's 5 times 4. So you get 34 as the mean value if the 5th one is 34. Now we'll look at the miscellaneous exercise. A bowler allows the opponent batsman to score 52 runs in his 10 overs. Find the mean number of runs he gave per over. So how you find out the mean? For 10 overs. So the total score is 52 for 10 overs. So what's the mark for 1 over? So divide by 10, that's 5.2 runs. That's the score. A group of 15 pilgrims are in an airplane. The mean mass of their luggage is 29 kg. Each person can carry up to 30 kilograms of luggage. If this is exceeded, an additional fee is charged. What is the total mass of the luggage carried by this group? So what's the total mass? So average or the mean value is the total over how many people. So that's 15. But mean mass is given 29 kg. So what's the total? Total mass is 15 times 29. Multiply 29 times 15, 10 and 5, and you get 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 2, 10 plus 4, 14. 435 kilos altogether. What is the total mass allowed for this group? So each one the maximum 30. So total mass allowed. Thirty into 15. 450 kilograms. Question number 3. The marks that Malitha and Dilitha got in the previous term test are as follows. Complete the table given below. Mode of the marks. Malitha and Dilitha. Mode. Just check. Malitha 65, 64, 70. 65 twice. So that's 65. Dilitha, look at carefully and see 55, 42, 58, 70, 70 twice. So 70 twice, that's 70 here. Median of the marks. This is not in ascending order. So you have to arrange this in ascending order. So we'll find out the values in ascending order. First for Malitha, 39, then 40, 39, 40, then we have 54, 56. 60, 64, and then 65 twice, and 70. That's Malitha. And Dilitha's marks will arrange in ascending order. 42, 45. Then 49, 55. 58, 64, 68, 70 and 70. Now it's easy to write down the value. So median mark. So when you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one median value or number of data, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 divided by 2, 5. Fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 58. Number of subjects for which the mark exceeds 50. Exceeds 50 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here exceeds 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find, separate the median mark of each student. Median we found. What is the most suitable representative value to compare two collections of data? Give reasons for your answer. So we need to find out the mean value. So that's the most representative value. So we'll find out the mean mark for both students. Mean. So we have to take the total. So I'll do it here. So here we'll add it together and see 9 plus 4. Or here 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 10, 29. 29 plus 4. 29 plus 4, you get 33. So 3 is there and 3 remaining. 6, 10, 15, 20, 26. Then 26 plus 6, 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 38 plus 6, or you can say 6 plus 7, 13. 51. So 513 divided by how many subjects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's the mean value? 9 times 5, 45. So you get 6. For 63, 9 times 7. So 57 is the mean mark for Malita and Dilita. Add everything. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 8, 29. 33. 33 plus 8, 41. 4 remaining. And 8, 12, 16. 16 plus 10, 26. 26 plus 6, you get 32. 32 plus 14, 46, and then 6, add it, you get 521 divided by 9. What's the mean mark? 9 times 5, 45. So 52 minus 45, 7. For 71, that's 9 times 8, 72. So we get here 71 only. So 9 times 7. So 71 is there. 9 times 7 is 63. 8 remaining. For 80, you get 9 times 8. So 57.8 is the mean value for Dilita. So we can say Dilita is slightly better than Malita's average because this is 58. When you round it to the nearest whole number, this is 58 and 56. But both are equally likely, because 57 and 58 same values. So give reasons for your answer. So here most representative value is mean. Now we discussed about the mean value. So what can you say about the mode and the median? We can say mode is a close value, 65, 70, that's equal 60 and 58. For median also the same. So you can write another one comparison. So you can say mode and median marks are approximately the same. The total marks obtained in term test for all the subjects offered is given below for a group of students in a certain class. Represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. So we have to identify the lowest and the highest stem value. So 48 is there, 38, 27 is there, 22. So 22 is the lowest one. What's the highest value? Highest one is 73. 73 I can see. Yeah, 73. Now, if you are writing 22 to 73, how many numbers are there? It's a lot. So, you don't have to write all the numbers. So, we'll see what are the numbers. So, here 73 is the highest. So, 22. That means this number 22, 4 is there. What are the other 20s you get? Then 27 you get. So we can write 27. There's a gap. 273. And we have 281. 28 with 1. What else? Then 30s. You get 38 and 38 and 35 also there. So we'll first write down 38, but 35 you have 35, 1 and 6. I'll cross out those two. And 38 you have 6 and 1. 8 also 1 and 6. What else? Now we have 38. We mark now 40s. 40s we get 48. 48 we have and 49. So 48 and 49. 48 we have 1, 49 that's 6. Then 50s, I'll erase this one because we need to mark the other numbers. 50s, what are the numbers? 52 we have, 52, 52. So we have 52 three numbers. What are the numbers? We have 5, 4, 9. So 4, 5, 9. And here we missed one. 51 also there. We'll plug it here. Then this is the sketch. 51 with 3. After that we'll write properly. Then what are the other numbers? 53 I can see. 53, 8. Then 59 here. But 57 is there. 57, 1 and 59, 1. 57, 1 and 59, 1. 60s. So 60s, what are the numbers we have for 60s? 60 is there. 60 with 9. With 9. Then 61 with 3. Yes, 61 with 3. Two numbers. 61 with 3, two numbers. And then 63. I can see 63, one number. 63 with 4, not 1. Then 67 I can see. 67. Here 63 with 6 also there. And 67, 3, 3. 67, 3, 3 twice. One is there. And what are the other numbers? Those are 60. 81 is there. 681. So 681. So we need now 700s. So final values, we'll write it here. What are the final values? 70 with, I'll write it here. And when we are drawing the proper one, we'll write down there. 70 with 6 we have. And we have here 689 we missed. 689, we can cross it out. 71 with 3, we can cross it out. And what else? 729 and 720. Now we marked all the numbers. Now we can rearrange this so that it's clearly see the data set. So I can write 22, 4, 27 with 3, 28 with 1, 35 with 1, 6, 38 with 1, 6, then 48 with 1, 49, 6, 51, 3, 52, 4, 5, 9. And then 2, 4, 5, 9, 53 with 8, 57 with 1, 59 with 1, 60 with 9, 61 with 3, 3, 63 with 4, 6, 67 with 3, 3, 1, and now we can write down these numbers: 70 with 6, 71 with 3, 72 with 0 and 9. So this is the correct diagram, stem and leaf diagram. And now we can give the key. So what's the key? Key is, we can take any number. 48 stroke 1 means 481. The number of ready-made garments released to the market by a factory during the 26 working days of a month is given below. Already given the stem and leaf diagram. So here 28 stroke 1 means 281. What is the minimum value of this data? So 250. What's the maximum? This number, 300. And what's the range? 300 minus 250, you get 50 is the range value. So we covered all theory related to data representation and interpretation. So data can be represented easily using a stem and leaf diagram. So understanding the data is facilitated by using a stem and leaf diagram. In a collection of data, some of the values could be identical. The value which occurs most often is called the mode value. And the number of values in a collection of data is an odd number. So when you are finding the middle number, you get one middle number. And if you get even number of data, so you get two middle numbers. So get the sum and divide by 2. The mean of a collection of data is the value is obtained when the sum of all the values of the collection of data is divided by the number of values. The difference between the greatest value and the least value, we call it range. So remember all these measurements: mean, median, mode, range, and how to draw the stem and leaf diagram, because this is an important lesson in statistics.